Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can remove the notification software from HOTWAV 12 node. So if you see something like that in your notification bar, or you have a lot of spamming pop-ups when you're trying to visit the site, that means you have a notification software, and we can try to remove it by two ways: system settings and antivirus app. Now I'm gonna show you the first method. Open the settings, then go to the apps and choose SEO apps. Now check all the apps on this list, and if you see something strange, the app that you have not installed by yourself, the app that you not recognize name, just open it and select the uninstall button. Now choose OK. After that, go back to the app list. Now look for your web browser. In my case it's Google Chrome. Go to the storage and cache and choose manage space. Tap on the clear all data and choose OK. After that, your web browser should be free from notification software. But if that way doesn't work for you, you can also try to download antivirus app. So go to the Play Store and look for the best antivirus app for you. I'm always using Avast, so we can launch it now. In this application, tap on the skip, choose continue, and decide that you want to get notifications. Now close to ads. Tap on the continuous free and choose the green circle, then tap on the OK and add a permission to the files. Now go back to the app, scan your process should start automatically, and after that your phone should be free from any unwanted software that you have on your storage. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.